Hello children, today we will learn about the mixture. Mixture are made up of two or more pure substances. When two or more pure substances mix with each other, then they form the mixture. And these pure substances which make the mixture, they are known as components. Now see on your book page number 21, about mixture it is written. First of all, definition is written. Then, pure substances are rarely found on their own nature. They usually mix to form mixture. For example, air is mixture of gases. So many gases are mixed up into the air. For example, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen and water vapor. Ordinary water is also a mixture of some calcium and magnesium salts, along with some air dissolved in it. Seawater is a mixture of large number of salts, including common salt, with water. All soil rocks and minerals are mixture of variety of substances. Animals and plants are made up of mixture of very complicated substances. All things we eat, raw or cooked, are mixtures of a large number of substances like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, salts. Milk and blood are also mixtures. So these are some examples. You have to read them thoroughly. Next question arises in our mind: why we need to make the mixture while pure substances are available there for us? So we make a lot of mixtures because they are more beneficial as the pure substances. Maybe pure substances provide us a number of benefits to our daily life, but while we get the mixtures, for example steel, then they are more useful as compared to the pure substances. Substances can be divided into metals as well as non-metals. When one metal fused with another metal or with any non-metal, I am repeating, one metal fused with another metal or any non-metal, then alloys are formed. So alloys are stronger than pure metals, and they have given here example for making jewelry. Gold is alloyed with some copper and silver. Steel is an alloy of iron, carbon and manganese. As you know that iron is very heavy, it's quite difficult to carry the utensils of iron, so mostly steel is used to making the utensils. That is very cheap as compared to iron, as well as it's very light to transport from one place to another place. Next, cement is a mixture of compounds of calcium and aluminium, which is more useful than its components. Components means these pure substance, calcium as well as aluminium. Medicines, soaps, detergents, fertilizers, pesticides also are mixtures. So from these two paragraphs we have learned that mixtures are more useful than pure substances, and they are also very strong as compared to their own components.